You won't believe how much you can save and experience by traveling to Thailand in the low season. Visiting Thailand from May to October, the low season. Here are just a few of them. 1. Lower prices. Hotels and resorts offer significant discounts, allowing you to stay in luxury for less. Flights are more affordable, and tours cost less too. Number 2. Fewer crowds. Enjoy serene and peaceful visits to popular spots like temples, beaches, and national parks. Last-minute reservations are a breeze with fewer tourists around. 3. Unique experiences. Experience the lush green beauty of Thailand's landscape and enjoy cultural festivals that are unique to this season. 4. Pleasant weather. Rain showers are short and often in the evening, leaving your days free for activities. Plus, the rain cools down the temperatures, making outdoor activities more comfortable. At number 5. Enhanced wildlife viewing. Marine life is abundant, and visibility for diving and snorkeling can be excellent. Enjoy more personal experiences in national parks with fewer visitors. 6. Better interaction with locals. With fewer tourists, locals are more relaxed and engaging, offering richer cultural exchanges and more personalized service. Like, subscribe, or follow Thai Travel Store, and share this with a friend you would love to visit Thailand with.